What is going on, everybody? If you have not been here before, welcome to the channel. I am super excited to start this new series, Go One More Marathon Prep. So if you don't know, I got into the Bare Performance Nutrition Go One More Marathon that will be in Austin, Texas on January 29th, 2022, in about 3 months or so. Bare Performance Nutrition is a supplement company that was started by Nick Bare. He's an Ironman, he's a hybrid athlete, he has a sub 3 hour marathon, he just finished the Leadville 100 ultra marathon. He's an absolute beast, and he started this supplement company. They make protein, pre-workout, recovery, strong reds, strong greens, vitamins, all kinds of stuff that I use every day. This is not sponsored by them, but I personally use their products every day, and I love it. And I've been a huge fan of them for a few years, and Nick is also really big on YouTube. So if you haven't checked them out, I highly recommend you do. They have really great content. It's super high quality, super inspirational. And a couple months ago, they announced that they were hosting the Go One More Marathon, and I knew that I just had to try and sign up for it. It's hosted in Austin, Texas, where BPN's headquarters are at. It's only 175 runners, so when I was registering, I knew that it was going to be really exclusive and really difficult to get into, so I was on the computer, clicking refresh, and luckily I got a spot. It sold out in less than 2 minutes. The day before the race, the check-in is at the BPN headquarters, which is epic if you have not seen it. And then the day of the race, you meet at the BPN headquarters again. They bus you out to the race location on a private ranch. You run the race, and then there's live music, there's food, there's drinks, a little after party. So it's going to be an awesome event. So because of that, I thought it would be awesome to share my experience from training for the race for the next 3 months all the way up until race day, and what it's like from a participant's perspective. This weekly vlog will be posted every Sunday, and it's going to be covering everything that's involved in my training for this marathon. My training plan, which I'll be going over in the next video, I break down what I'll be doing every week, how I judge the intensity of my runs and the speed at which I run. I'll be going over all my goals for the race, hopefully qualifying for Boston. I'll be going over nutrition, including what I eat before, during, after runs, what I eat for main meals. I'll do some what I eat in a day type of videos. I'll be going over what nutrition I'll be using during the race. I'll be going over all the gear that I use during training, from shoes to watches, anything like that, and then what I'll be using for the race itself. I've got lots of content planned. I've got a lot of training to do. I've got a lot of miles to run, but I am super excited. I'm really glad that you guys are going to be joining me on this 3-month journey to Austin, Texas, and the Go One More Marathon. And today calls for a 7-mile easy run. And it is beautiful weather here in Greenville. It's about 50 degrees this morning. Sun is shining, so let's get started. Okay, just finished up 7 easy miles. 58 minutes, 59 seconds, average pace 8:25. Oh my goodness. All right. Without fail, without hesitation, immediately after my training runs, I take a scoop of BPN Strong Greens, a scoop of BPN Strong Reds, and a scoop of BPN Intraflight, which is BCAAs. I think this is like one of the ultimate post-run recovery drinks. It just floods your body with nutrients and vitamins and a whole bunch of good stuff. Besides all those supplements being really healthy, they also taste amazing. All right, it is Tuesday. This morning I hit a chest and arms workout, and now it is about 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go do a track workout. I just mixed up a little Tailwind. I love this stuff. I have not tried BPN's endurance fuel yet, but I'm planning to snag some of that on their Black Friday deal. So I'll be able to compare and contrast the two, but I've been using Tailwind for a few years and I absolutely love it. All right, let's head to the track. All right, we are at the track. I usually like to mix in one track workout a week to work on some anaerobic threshold, get a little speed work in. And today I have a 2-mile warm-up followed by a 2x4 with 1 minute walk rest in between, and then 2x8 with 2-minute walk rest, and then another 2x4 with a minute walk rest, and then a 1 mile cool down. So let's get started. All right, just finished up the main working set. Before I do my cool down, I had to show you guys this sunset. Whew. Beautiful South Carolina sunset. All right, let's finish it up. All right, awesome track workout. 5 miles, 36 minutes, 46 seconds, 7:21 average pace. Those track workouts never seem to get any easier. They suck every time. All right, it is Wednesday. This morning I had a 4-mile easy run, and it is about 6 o'clock now. I just got back from the gym, hitting a leg workout, and I'm cooking up some dinner. I've got 2 grass-fed, grass-finished steaks, some baked golden potatoes, and some baked asparagus, so it should be delicious. So on top of these 2 steaks, I put some ghee. This is local ghee that I got here in South Carolina. Ghee, if you don't know, is derived from cow butter. It's basically just the oil, so it has no lactose and it has no casein. So if you're sensitive to either one of those, ghee is a great alternative. Plus, it has really good flavor. All right, let's cut these bad boys open. See how we did. I am by no means a grill master, and we do not even have a grill yet at this point. Maybe in the future we'll get one. But I must say, I have perfected the art of cooking steaks on the pan sear plus baked in the oven. Don't underestimate it. I'm gonna mow this down, and then in the morning we've got a 5-mile easy run, so we'll see you then. You are the handsomest dog in the world, aren't you? Oh, yes, you are. All right, it is Thursday morning. It is chilly here in Greenville. 43 degrees, I think. And it is pouring rain. So I thought today would be the perfect day to go hit the trails. And I'm bringing Koa along with me. We've got 5 easy miles. Unfortunately, trail running doesn't really fit into a road marathon training plan, obviously, but trail running is by far my favorite. I started getting into it about a year ago, and it's just so much different from road running. It's more enjoyable. You go a little bit slower, you get to enjoy the runs a little bit more, I feel like. But you know, I like both of them for different reasons. Hi, are you ready to go run? You ready to go run? I'll be bringing the GoPro along, grab some shots of the trail. We're in Paris Mountain State Park, by the way. There's like 15-20 miles of single track trails here, and it's awesome. There's nobody here today because people in the south don't like the cold, I guess. So we'll go explore on our own. All right, that was a great little 5-mile trail run with Koa. We had 5 miles, 54 minutes, 34 seconds, 10 minutes, 54 seconds per mile. And that was about a little over 500 feet of elevation gain. It poured rain the entire time, but luckily this Innovate running rain jacket kept me 100% dry the whole time. I love this thing. Also, my GoPro died like 5 minutes into the run. It said it was 50% charged when I checked it at home, and then I was able to get like one shot before it died. But I mean, really, GoPro footage while running never looks that good anyways, so you're probably not missing much. It is Friday evening. I had a rest day today, so no running, just a gym workout this morning. Bree is in the kitchen tonight, cooking up some...
I'm in here every night.
What is it called again? I cannot remember the name of this for the life of me. Vegan sticky sesame chickpea?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Vegan sticky sesame chickpea. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in it. We've never made this before, but it sounds like it's gonna be delicious. So let's get to cooking. So this recipe does not call for it, but we are adding tempeh. I've only had tempeh a few times. I don't really care for tofu, but I love tempeh. This one is Asian miso ginger flavored. This stuff is good. I think it's just soybeans and hemp seeds ground together. It's really good, very nutritious. And if you're a vegan, it's perfect. We're not really vegan. Sometimes we are. Just depends on the mood, I guess. But we eat it sometimes. Maybe it's just me, but did you know that they make specific tools to press garlic with? I had no idea. Bree got one of these a few weeks ago, and now we use it like every day. The more you know.
Are you gonna help?
Bowls, we have chickpeas in the bottom with some rice vinegar, sesame oil, garlic. Then we got some boiled broccoli, and then we've got some sauteed tempeh. This looks delicious.
There's supposed to be rice, but it takes 45 minutes to cook, so we omitted the rice because we're hangry.
Yes, but this was a very quick and simple dinner, and it looks and smells delicious, so we're gonna scarf this down, and then I've got an 11-mile run in the morning. So we'll see you then.
Well, he'll see and I won't.
Oh, yeah.
You'll see him.
It's Saturday morning. I've got an 11-mile run this morning. I just mixed up 2 scoops of Tailwind. That'll probably be the only thing I consume before or during this run. I don't really like to eat before runs, especially long runs, just because you never know what the stomach's gonna do. So for me, the less is better. I just stick to Tailwind because it's liquid. Don't really have to worry about stomach issues, and it works great for me. Tailwind, if you don't know, is just an endurance formula. It's based out of Colorado, which is pretty cool. But it's essentially just salt and sugar and some natural flavoring. Their slogan is all you need all day, really. And it is true. I mean, you can go all day with nothing but this stuff. You don't need food. People will run ultras on nothing but Tailwind. This stuff is like magic. It works really well. All right, let's go knock out this 11-mile run. All right, just wrapped up that 11-mile run. We had 11 miles, hour 25 minutes, average pace 7:45. I picked up a little bit today I was feeling pretty good, feeling fresh from a low mileage week and having a rest day yesterday. But that wraps up a solid week of Go One More marathon training. We had a total of 32 miles put in this week. It was a pretty mellow week, nothing too crazy. We're gonna pick it up next week and then ramp it up after that. Thank you guys for tuning in this week. We'll see you again next Sunday.